Hello everyone, welcome to Be a Geek for another video on SQL. So today we are going to solve select all question from HackerRank. So let's have a look at the question. So here we have to query all the columns for every row from the table city. So this is our city table. This is how our city table look. It has five fields: ID, name, country code, district, and population. And we have to query all these columns from the database. So let's start writing the query. So first we write select. So in the select clause, we mention the names of the columns that we want to retrieve from the database. So here we have to get all the columns. So to get all the columns, there is no need to write all the names of the columns like ID, comma, name, or like this. We can directly use a wildcard asterisk. Now this asterisk means that we want to select all the columns. So this is what we used when we have to get all columns instead of few. So we can just write select asterisk. Now then comes the from clause. So here from clause we mention the table from where we want to retrieve our data. So here our table name is city and we want our data only from the city table. So we write city. Now write semicolon. So now run the code. So the query is executed successfully and all test cases have passed. So this is how we write the SQL query when we have to select all the columns. We use asterisk with the select instead of writing the names of the column. If instead of getting all the columns, we want few columns, then we write the names of the columns in select. For example, name, ID. So if we want ID and name, we write like this in the select clause. But here in the question, we want all the columns, so we just directly write asterisk. Now submit the code. Okay, so code is submitted successfully and all our test cases have passed. So that's it for today's question, guys. I hope you understood the logic and approach clearly. You can copy the complete code from the link given in the description. When you click the link, you will be redirected to our website from where you can directly copy the code like this and you can paste the code here. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more SQL problems. We will meet in another video for SQL.